Hey guys, so it is September 1st, 2023, and I just finished drinking my Amare Happy Juice. Once again, I feel full of motivation, full of determination, and I have lots of energy to play with my child, which is great. I also feel a little bit happier, and I just finished taking some pictures there with my child, which is nice because it's not all the time I get to do that because they're very stubborn about that. But yeah, I feel great. Once again, the Amare Happy Juice is for balancing out the serotonin and dopamine in your gut. And if you balance out the serotonin and dopamine in your gut, you're also going to balance out the serotonin and dopamine in your brain. So I think I'm just going to keep it at that for today. Just a little short video, since I do have my child and I don't want to hold up spending time with my child since I was gone for a couple weeks there. So I'm going to leave it at that. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. I might film a video tonight. I'm not 100% sure yet. It depends what time my child goes to bed. But I'm going to try. And I will talk to you in my next video.